What if you could discover the most important research papers in your field without spending hours searching through endless databases? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Litmaps to find research papers and build literature reviews faster in 2026. Litmaps is an AI-powered research discovery platform that helps students, researchers, and academics uncover relevant papers through citation networks and visual research maps. Instead of relying only on keyword searches, Litmaps helps you explore how studies connect to each other and identify influential papers within a research field. To get started, create an account and log into the platform. Once you're inside, the first step is to create a new map. A map is essentially your research project, where you'll collect and organize papers related to a specific topic. Next, search for one or more key papers that are highly relevant to your research question. These papers act as your starting point and help Litmaps understand the area you're exploring. After adding your initial papers, Litmaps automatically generates a visual citation map showing how different studies are connected through references and citations. This is where the platform becomes especially powerful. Instead of manually reviewing hundreds of search results, you can visually explore relationships between papers and identify influential publications much more quickly. As you interact with the map, Litmaps provides recommendations for additional papers that may be relevant to your topic. These recommendations are based on citation patterns and relationships between studies rather than simple keyword matching. This often helps researchers discover important papers they might have missed using traditional academic databases alone. Another useful feature is the monitoring system. Once your map is created, Litmaps can continuously track new publications related to your research area and notify you when relevant studies become available. This can save a huge amount of time for researchers who need to stay updated with the latest developments in their field. As you discover useful papers, add them to your map and organize them around themes, concepts, or research questions. This process naturally helps build the foundation of a literature review because you're not only collecting papers, but also understanding how they relate to one another. Based on user feedback available online, many researchers appreciate Litmaps because it transforms literature discovery into a more visual and intuitive process. Users often praise its ability to uncover hidden connections between studies and reveal relevant papers that standard search methods may overlook. The automatic alerts and recommendation engine are also frequently mentioned as valuable time-saving features. On the other hand, some users report that citation maps can feel overwhelming when first getting started, especially if they're accustomed to traditional search databases. Others note that while the free version is useful, some advanced capabilities are more accessible through paid plans. Despite these limitations, overall feedback from researchers remains very positive. My honest opinion is that Litmaps is one of the most useful tools available for literature reviews and research discovery in 2026. It won't replace critical reading, academic expertise, and traditional databases, but it can dramatically improve the way you find, organize, and track research papers. If you're working on a thesis, dissertation, systematic review, academic article, or any research project that requires expensive literature exploration, Litmaps is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you learn how to use Litmaps, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us which AI research tool you'd like to learn about next.